Hey, Jay from Jay's Taking Tips back with another video. You see in the title, we have the, not sure how you say it, OHAYO 60-watt speakers. And if you follow my videos, as you can see here, I did get a new unboxing knife. Now I will be going over this a little bit later on in a different video, but go ahead and check it out. And it's green, should match the aesthetics and everything like that. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Love having an unboxing knife, better than using scissors. Nice and smooth, nice and smooth. Okay. Okay, looks like they're packaged pretty well. Let's get that box out of the way. OHAYO. Okay. Always like to be careful when I'm cutting because you never know when something's going to go wrong or you need to send it back for some reason. You want to try to have as much of the packaging as you can. Obviously, you won't be trying to return this part, this plastic. Okay. Oh yeah, this helps so much to have an actual knife for unboxing than using scissors. Follow my other videos. I'll go have a video where I go over my gaming setup, my gaming items that got stolen. One of the items that got stolen was my unboxing knife. If you go back and look at my other videos, you can see that I've had that knife throughout almost all of my unboxings. So kind of touched home where it hurt. Okay, so first of all, we got the power cable. We have a USB-A type C, 3.5 millimeter. We have a user manual. Okay, we got something. Okay, got some good weight to them so far. Got some good weight to them, and they're about the size that I thought they would be. So that's a positive. That's a plus. They're gonna fit perfect right underneath here. Right now, as I said before in previous videos, if you didn't catch it, my speakers got stolen also with my other items from my gaming setup. So this is I have a pair of Mackie C, not sure the names of them, but I'll probably try to leave a link to the video of the unboxing of those speakers that I did have before. So I'm going with these. I'm trying to conserve money, trying to get my items back little by little. So I'm trying to maybe cut corners a little bit on these. So here we go. These, like I said, these have some good weight to them, a pretty good weight to them. Right now, I don't have any speakers, so I'm listening to it through the speaker through my desktop. Like I said, these have good weight to them. Okay, here on the back, we have volume knobs. We have let's see, what's this right here? The audio output for 3.5 millimeter jack for some RCA connecting. This is where you plug your left speaker in. You have your power, where your power adapter goes, and on and off switch. And then on the other one, it's just the speaker itself. So we'll connect this to this. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and get these hooked up, all hooked up, stuff like that, and then we'll be back to do a little sound test, okay? Alright guys, so we're back with the video. Got the speakers hooked up, and it did take, there's a little learning curve to hooking these up. So let me try to explain it as best as I can. I got to have it zoomed in so you can see. Alright, so first off, I have the USB-C plugged in and going to the computer. Now I'm not quite sure if you do need that or if you don't need that plugged in, because I got it to work without those plugged in. So as I showed you before, so here back here you got your speaker where you'll plug your this speaker, you plug this one in here. Here's your bass and your treble, power switch, and those. But now what you need to see is Okay, so once you got your power plugged in, it has a power cord. Once you have your power plugged in, as you can see right here, there's a little blue light. Let me make sure that you can see that. Okay, so you can see the blue light. So your blue light there. Now, to switch, and it didn't really say anything like that in the manual, or I didn't see it. How to switch between modes. So I was just assuming this was just a volume rocker back and forth, right? Well, actually, this right here is where you switch between modes also. So if you press it once, the light will start flashing, but you didn't hear anything. So if you press and hold,
Bluetooth,
as you hear, it says Bluetooth. Okay, so that's letting me know that that sound was connected, because I just paired it to my phone, but I'm using the phone to record this with. So that's going to show you that it's paired. So once it says Bluetooth, and then you hear a little sound, then I'll let you know that it's paired to your device. Now, if you want to go back, see, using the 3.5 millimeter jack, have that connected to my PC. So I'm going to press and hold.
audio in.
And there you go. It's audio in. No lights are flashing. So now we have our audio in. So that's pretty much how you set this up. To me, I couldn't figure it out. I had to do trial and error to figure everything out. So now let's do a little sound test. Now I have the volume down a little bit. This is copyright free music, so we don't have to worry about getting flagged. Really nice. Nice crisp highs, nice sounding bass. It's more of a mid, but a bass, but they sound really good. So I'm going to leave a link or down below in the description on the previous speakers that I have purchased, Pebble, gosh, I forgot what they were now. But I'll leave a link down below so you can take a look at those, which those were nice. Now I think those ran me 25, 30 bucks. These at the time of purchase, that I purchased these were on Amazon for 55 bucks. But the sound quality between those two are night and day. Now, the reason I picked up these was because these had pretty good reviews. And I read a lot of reviews on them on Amazon and on YouTube. A lot of people have these. They like them for the small form factor, for if you didn't have a lot of room on your desk. Now, they don't come with an external subwoofer, which is perfectly fine for my setup and things. I don't really do a lot of gaming on my PC, but if I did, these would do the trick right here. These are some really good speakers. And let's see, this is at about 3/4 of the way volume. And on my PC, let's see where the volume's at on this. About 3/4 of the way also, 79. That's it, my volume on there. So I still have some room to go. And I have turned them up almost all the way, and there was no distortion at all. So guys, these are the, like I said, I don't know the name of them, but I'm just going to try to say OHAYO C6 speakers. Very, very excellent for the price. Budget speaker. Very, very great sound. So you guys, if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And I'll leave a link down below to my video where all this is coming from. I got my gaming setup stolen, and quite a bit of my items got stolen, so I'm slow by slow in the process of trying to replace everything. Go check out that video. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit subscribe and come on this journey with me as we go into replacing my items. I have a microphone I just replaced it. Yes, it is still my microphone also, so I replaced it with the Fine, not sure the model number, one of the more popular ones on Amazon. Links in the description. Alright, so we'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for tuning in.